Hey guys and gals, this is Rhonda Cash. Trust that you're having an excellent day. I want to talk to you about you work full time, and when you come online, you hear how you can have financial freedom, a push button system, a done for you system, how you can buy an entire library of digital marketing training videos, how you can carve out your own schedule, own your own time, write your own paycheck, fire your boss, whatever it is. And all of those things are absolutely true. I'm not hating on anyone or discounting anyone. What I want to tell you though is, because you're looking for a way of escape. I don't want to do work like I'm doing work. You could be a counselor, doctor. You're wanting to come online, and because of how making money online and having your own online business, how it is sometimes presented to you, it makes you think that you don't have to do any work. So I want to let you know that in this world of marketing, you're being sold benefits. Financial freedom is a benefit. Carving out your own schedule is a benefit. Earning instant cash payments is a benefit. Those are all benefits, and benefits makes us feel good. Benefits, health care benefits. I feel good that I have health insurance. 401k benefits. I feel good that I'm building a retirement plan. Those are all benefits. People do not focus on the features, or they're selling you a dream is what they're doing. And it's possible to have that dream. But what they're not selling you and what they're not telling you is there's some work behind the dream. There's some work behind the benefit that you have to do before you can experience the benefit. Case in point, done for you system. There's not one done for you system that I have purchased, even though I knew that they're not done for you. There's something that I had to do before it was a done for you system. What does that mean? You purchase it, you have to put in your name, your email address, your phone. You have to write a bio. Oftentimes for these done for you systems, you have to upload a picture of yourself, an image of yourself. And they have training videos where they teach you how to connect your capture pages and your websites. And once you've done all of that, now you have a done for you system. And if you do not put that system together, let me tell you, they will put it together for you, but you'll have to pay. People are not telling you the mechanics behind the dream. They're not telling you the mechanics behind the benefits. I want to tell you that because when it first happened to me many years ago, I was totally discouraged because I'm believing whoever this person is on the screen, this is all you have to do. This is all you have to do. It's a 3-step system. And I get in there, and before I can even get to the system, they want me to buy this and they want me to buy that. It's discouraging. But when you know better, you do better. So I just want to let you know that even the business opportunity that you've purchased, they sold you on a dream. Be your own bank. That's a key one right now. Be your own bank. Be in charge. They know that you want to be your own bank. They know that you want to be in charge. But how many of us know even how to run a bank? How many of us even know how to calculate compound interest? You can't be your own bank without knowing the mechanics of how to be your own bank. That's all I'm saying. I'm not wanting to burst your bubble, but I want you to come online empowered, and I want you to come online enlightened. Yes. Okay? Enlightened and empowered. So there is work for you to do. I'll end with this. Jim Rohn said that you have to work harder on yourself. I've got my hands everywhere. Put my hands down here. Jim Rohn said you have to work harder on yourself than you do on your job. It's rewarding work. You will get the dream. You're probably already on your way to getting the dream. I just want to let you know that there's some work that you have to do to access the dream. Yes. So click the link in the video description, learn more on what it is that I'm teaching and telling you. Yes and yes. Many blessings.